Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How y'all doing? I'm back at my second mining location, and here I'm going to be working on a few things, but mainly this guy right here. This is the Radeon VII rig. I'm sure you guys all saw the video a week ago or so. Basically, I moved it here from my home because it's just really loud. Based on these two Noctua fans that are 3,000 RPM, these Noctua industrial PPC fans, as you guys can see here, they are just really loud when they're at max fan. And as well, the Radeon VII itself is just a loud card. When you have it at 80 or 100% fan speed, it's quite loud. So to have this where I was living and sleeping and eating, my girlfriend was also complaining. I had to move it here because this is where it's pretty much isolated and no one can hear sounds. So this is a good place for this card. And basically what I wanted to get at was that this card, this rig here, I want to start recording all the profits that it's making. And I want to show you guys a community poll that I did right here. So I did a community poll which said, which way should I mine on my Radeon VII? Set it, forget it, and have updated coin and profits for you guys. Basically, you guys voted for mainly a dedicated OS or the Windows mining, manual software, Claymore, XMR stack, etc. at 38%. And some of you guys voted for nice hash it all the way to the bank. That was just a joke, but if you guys voted for that, I would have done it. But in this case, it looks like the Windows mining will be the winner. So I know some of you wanted the dedicated OS, 31%, but I'm gonna have to go with the 160 votes for Windows mining. I think what's profitable on this Radeon VII thus far has been, from what I'm seeing, is like Ethereum Classic or the XMR coins, the Kryptonite coins. So I'll be doing that, and I'll record the profits. But first, let's install it, guys. I'm probably gonna move it into the rig spot right here. I already got a network cable and a power cable, a nice red power cable to go right there into the PDU already. Let's go over there. I'll show you guys. So here's the PDU. You guys probably seen it before, and I got a cable going from down there into here. So I'll set it right here, plug it all here. Here's the network cable that goes into a TP-Link. This is a power over Ethernet adapter which has 3 network ports in it. So just perfect, and it's pretty much just right here. So it'll sit right here. So yeah, let me install that now, guys. Okay guys, look at that. My 2 shelves are getting filled up. The rig up there, I'm still waiting for the motherboard and processor. I haven't ordered it yet. I had to return the MSI board. You guys probably saw that episode earlier. Okay, so I got the rig here installed. There's the power cable going into the EVGA Platinum 650 watt power supply. There's the network cable going into the back of the ITX motherboard. And here is this is a 500 gigabyte Samsung SSD. And I got the 2 Noctua industrial PPC fans. You guys saw that earlier. And then the Radeon VII. So let's turn this bad boy on. Okay, look at that, guys. Radeon. Okay, so what's next? Basically, let's go into Windows, and then I'm gonna show you guys also the document that I want to calculate and record all the profits. I'll try to do it weekly. I'm not gonna be able to do it daily, keep track of it daily, but if I keep track of the pool that it's on and all the coins that it sends out, and then yeah, I can calculate it weekly that way. Alright guys, so here's the computer. I'm just remoted into it, and it's mining Ethereum right now. 88.9 mega hash. I'm using the my PowerSave PowerSave clocks. As you can see, 1724 core, 940 megavolt, 1100 memory. And yeah, so let's take a look. The fan speed pretty much maxed out right now. And the temperature is 55 degrees Celsius current temperature, and the junction temperature is 72. So it's been hovering around that for a while. It's been doing pretty good for 3 minutes so far. I don't expect it to go any higher. That's what I was getting roughly at my other place. So good temperatures because I got the Noctua, the two Noctua fans pointing at it right now. But you guys want to see how loud it is? Let me show you. That's running max right now. The fans and the Radeon VII. This thing is just loud. You guys can hear that? Just crazy. Okay guys, let me take you to the profit document. Okay guys, so here is the profit document in Google Sheets. I'm also going to share this so that you guys can all see it. Link down below. And so let me explain. So I'll start first at the top here. Sapphire Radeon 7. I bought it for $781.26 USD. That's with tax on March 23rd, 2019. We'll be using Windows and we'll do manual miners such as Phoenix or SRB miner, etc. according to the community poll that I did. So I'm keeping word of that. And then here's the wattage price. My kilowatt per hour is 0.0664. That's in USD. So I've converted from Canadian to USD. So I know most of my viewers are American, so I'm doing this for you guys. I have a levy, which costs 0.046 cents a day. That's a day, not 24 hours. So 5 cents a day. And then crisis fund, I also have to pay. It's also a day, 0.0061 a day, and then plus 5% taxes. And then here's the calculation, wattage calculation, right there. That's for my wattage price column. You guys can read through that. I won't read it. But and then the last part here on the first row is that I plan on hodling all the coins until enough to hit ROI, return on investment. So when I feel is a good time to sell some. But let me know what you guys think in the comments about that part. I'm kind of hesitant to hodl all the coins, and then I have a column here calculating the original price plus electricity used. So this will continue to go up if I don't sell any coins. But let me go through the first row, the first columns here. So here are the dates. I've already calculated the first day, April 1st. So as you guys are seeing this video, the next day, April 2nd, I've recorded this last night. So I'm recording the profits from 4 p.m. before until 4 p.m. The day. So I'll be able to keep track of this while I'm at work. And then, oh, another thing, guys, I tried to figure out an API, how to do the API for Ethermine. I just couldn't figure it out. So again, if any one of you in the comments are like an API Google Sheets master, please contact me. I'll pay you some crypto to do some to figure out maybe a better system to do this, to have this automated Google Sheets to keep profits of my Radeon 7. So continuing, here's the coin and price. So this column can change. It could be Monero, Ethereum, or Ethereum Classic. So right now I'm just mining Ethereum Classic, and I got the price here the day of the price of the coin, which is $4.84. The amount I mined for April 1st is 0.23267 Ethereum Classic. And then I have a coin total, which will add up all the Ethereum Classic totals that I mined continuously. So, and then so on and so forth with Ethereum or Monero or whatever coin I mine. And then coin mined worth. So this is how much dollar worth in USD that I mined that day. So on April 1st, I mined $1.13 worth. Hash rate, self-explanatory. Wattage, self-explanatory. Have the total system wattage. That includes the motherboard, CPU, riser, and the video card. So 280 watts total for mining Ethereum Classic on the Radeon 7. Then the wattage price, I explained this earlier. You guys can see it up here. And how I did the calculation, you guys can see that above. Taxes, levy, all that kind of stuff. And then the profits, and then the profit column here, I'll have mined. So this is the mined worth column minus the wattage price, and that'll get us 0.61 cents. So I'm profiting pretty well, more than 50% of the total. So that's pretty good. And then the last column is the original price plus electrical used. So this is the initial price, $781.26 that I used to buy it, and then plus wattage price. So this will continue to add up, and then if I decide to sell some when I want to, then this will go away. But this original price plus electrical use will always go up unless I sell. So I don't know if that's a good way to do it or not, guys, but I'm trying to do this the best way, the most honest way I can. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I would love to know. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about this Radeon 7, and if you guys have any coins you think I should mine for this thing, I would love to know. And I will definitely have update videos for this and profit videos for it and all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all of you. Let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.